This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. All right, so at this point, now that we've got our lowers are finished, our wiring has been ran, we're gonna put our gas tank back on. Robbie's gonna carry it over here. Just gonna set it back on top of our backbone connector. We've already made sure that all of our ABS lines are where they should go earlier when we put our cover back on. And we're gonna make sure and put our wind or air deflectors back on. All right, so I've got our 4 gas tank bolts, and we're going to start the front ones by hand. Give me that tool. I'm going to take my 13 on my battery ratchet and go ahead and tighten this one in. I'm not going tight, I'm just starting it until I get all the other ones. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start our back bolts. Both on each side. Now they're all started, I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down. Let me tighten this front one here. There you go, Rob. Tighten your side. All right, so we're going to take both of our rubber covers, put them back on top of your bolts here. All right, just like we released it, we're going to push up on this silver sleeve. When we do that, we're going to stick our line in the hole. We're just going to push up until that sleeve snaps back down. When it goes back down, we are secure. Our line's not going to come off. And we're done with that. It's very easy. Now we're going to reconnect everything underneath the seat here. So we're going to reconnect our vent on this side. Robbie's going to route our vent down. I'm going to, there you go, back down to the side where it goes. Little overflow vent where if you put gas in it overflows, it doesn't come out. Doesn't get on your paint. I'm going to plug in both of our electrical connectors here, back where they go. The gray into the gray, the black into the black. And that's the only thing left is our heated seat connector. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our seat back on. This being heated, we're going to plug it in. We're going to start at the back and we're going to slide our seat forward. There's a little hook that it hooks into. There we go. Opening up your tour pack definitely makes it better on one of these to be able to get to your back seat bolt. In this case, it's just a Phillips screw.